I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by Coinmiles.io, the best place to earn Bitcoin rewards when you spend your filthy fiat online. If you're not using it, you are leaving sats on the table, shop online, or get gift cards for all your favorite vendors, including retail, travel, apparel, home supplies, groceries, and more. Hit the link below and earn 25,000 sats just for signing up. So typically when I'm in a one-on-one where I have like a couple of minutes or like 5 minutes or something, I'll get somebody to download Phoenix Wallet because it's non-custodial. I didn't have that kind of time. Unfortunately I went the wallet of Satoshi route. I got her set up really quick. She hit receive. I took a picture of her screen and then I tweeted out like, hey, this is Rachel. She's learning about Bitcoin. Send her. Last I heard as of yesterday morning, she had like 170 US dollars worth of like random sats that came in. I guess in retrospect, like looking back at it, obviously Wallet of Satoshi is not like my first choice for wallet. I think everybody kind of knows that, but it does the trick in a pinch. But when people were asking, well, why'd you suggest that one? It was a timing issue of getting somebody to try something really, really quick. And it was also the way it functions. And what I mean when I say that is I was able to take a picture of the screen and it had a lightning address there and a reusable payment code, which currently is not a thing that you can get in a non-custodial wallet, but it is a thing that's very close to being available in a few wallets, if I'm not mistaken. And so the reason I'm bullish is because the tools for onboarding are obviously first becoming easy because there's shortcuts like Wallet of Satoshi, but soon they will be easy and non-custodial. Midex, you hit the nail on the head. Some of the comments were like, oh, I'm so disappointed in you for recommending this or whatever. And what I'll say is it's kind of silly to make fun of teaching somebody the alphabet and saying, why haven't they read Human Action yet? Right? Like it's kind of ridiculous to be like, this is you're zooming in on a singular point of somebody's learning trajectory. And as Bitcoiners always say with the price, zoom out. I'm going to say the same thing with education. Zoom the fuck out, guys. Like, let's be real. We all fucking suck at teaching people stuff and we need to get better. If what you do gets somebody to take step number one and it's very easy for them to take step number two, which I believe is the case in this instance, then fantastic. If what you do gets them to turn around and walk out the door, you've not at all had the effect that you intended. So I'm bullish because I think tools are getting easier. I also think that some people are recognizing that an educational trajectory can start in many different places, and it doesn't matter the starting point, but it matters the end point. And